from other people before this, but I'm so shy and embarrassed.
Yeah, but that's good.
Oh, shit, sorry.
Sit kind of down in that corner there.
You're like, that's good. Thank you.
I want to get a bit of foreground with your legs, so like, yeah, point them kind of
Do you want
towards
this
me.
light or no?
No. Actually, option it for me? No.
Do you want me like one of your hands is almost on your leg? You're like, yeah.
You done?
Yes. Sorry.
Sure.
Oh, the coat. Yo. That's one of my favorite clothes.
Sorry, not in your way. We didn't get in your way, right?
Oh yeah, it looks fucking handy as fuck. Can you take a video of me by phone?
A little restricted because I can see everyone over there.
Oh yeah, okay, so is it better to use this part?
Try being closer to here. See. Yeah. I don't love this just because of the light here. There's like a cooler light over here. I don't know. We got some good stuff on that side. I just think the way the scene is set up, it works good there because you have like warm foreground and then like the nice cool